Good morning, welcome to SHLR Technosoft. This is a smart education application of BVS Polytechnic in Bagalkot. This is a page where I'm using my staff credentials. I'm just signing in now. This is a page where you can just see the name has been mentioned here. The name has been mentioned and the subject like student will be getting a complete details here. The dashboard, today I'm going to show you about the IA model. In IA model, I'm coming with the add course outcome subjects where we can just add a course outcome for a year. I'm just choosing it for 2021 fourth semester first shift, or whatever the shifts are there we can just choose here, where I'm just shown it as displayed here. The complete course outcome subjects has been mentioned here. You can just see here. If we want to add a new, we can just add here. For example, I'll just mention it as, for example, I have to take it as test, then add. If you keep on clicking on add, we are going to get a complete details, and complete it is going to be add. And next I'm giving it as save, where you can just see here the subjects has been added, the test, and the delete edit option also has been mentioned, where if I want any changes I can just make it here, where I'm just mentioning it as test 1 that has been updated successfully. You can just see here where it has been mentioned as test 1. As well, there is a delete option also has been mentioned here. Next I'm coming with the, in IA model I'm coming with the add course master, course outcome master, where we can just mention the marks here. I'm selecting as course 2021 fourth semester, or I can just choose here first shift subjects. I'll just take it as displayed. So, yeah. You can just see here. If you want, we can just add a row for the subjects. For example, we can just make it as 10, and we can just add on, keep on adding the rows if you want. This is about the adding, entering co-marks. Next I'm coming with the IU model. Next, enter marks. In the enter marks, I'm choosing it for the year 2021. I'm choosing it for year 2021, where course and master has been mentioned for fourth semester CP. First shift I'm choosing it, where financial accounting I'm taking, and display. Here we'll be getting a marks wise, where we can just see here. Here we have just mentioned maximum marks 10, co-marks fourth it's 10, total is 10, and scale down to 12. Here already we have updated the data already. This is about the co-marks, like adding marks. And next I'm coming with the average IA report. Next I'm choosing for the year 2021, where I'll just take it as fourth semester first shift display. Here we'll be getting a complete fourth semester details of financial accounting for fourth sem. You can just see here the complete details has been mentioned here. As usual, if I want, I can just generate through Excel sheet also, where it has been mentioned here, complete details has been mentioned of average IO report. As usual, I can generate PDF also, PDF format also has been mentioned here. The PDF format also I can just save it. This is about the average report IA marks. And next I'm coming with the theory report. Like it is a consolidated report for 4th semester CP first. Here has been mentioned it is complete details of 4th semester. Here if I want I'll just take it as 6th sem display. Here we'll be getting a complete details of the particular students. If I want, I can, as usual, I can just generate the in Excel sheet also. Here, for example, we just mentioned 2 students name. Just see the complete details has been mentioned in Excel sheet. Next, I'm coming with like the theory. We have got the details, and next I'm coming with the consolidated IA report, where I will be getting a where I'm choosing it for 2021. Where I'll just take it as 6th semester, first shift, display. 4th semester, first shift. Here, consolidated average lab reports will be getting, as we got the theory right, in the same way we'll be getting a complete details here. And next I'm coming with the same, like we're having a consolidated drawing report also has been mentioned here. The same way for all the reports we'll be getting here. We have not just mentioned now. We'll be getting a complete details here of individual reports for like individual IA marks will be getting here. And next I'm coming with the co-earned. Here will be, I'll just take it as for a year. For 4th sem, first shift, financial, view result. You can just see here the complete result has been mentioned here. The complete details, student source outcome details, towards outcome details. Well, we'll be getting a complete details here. Here you can just see the marks has been mentioned here. This is complete detail of IA model. Thank you, SHLR.